So this is the second video now. This video now we're going to discuss about influencers. So for my screenshot now, you will see somebody like Charles Okocha, he go to park. You will see the first you see the post he made where he mentioned his daughter, and sometimes you see the one he always mention his hype man. These people now this is the daughter's uh, page. As you can see, the number of followers and that of his hype man. These guys grew this page because of his influence. Charles Okocha has over 2 million followers on his Facebook page. So he's a big time influencer. So he always influences for his friends and for his children. So in your own case, how will you be able to do that? Either you befriend people like Charles Okocha, MC Bakra, Sabinus, all these kind of Brain Jota, all these guys, or you pay them. For those ones that are doing it, there are people who are doing it, and the prices varies. There are some people who charges lower, there are some people who charges higher. So it depends on who you meet. But influence marketing is one of the best way to grow your page, and it's one of the fastest way to grow your page. So if you have the money, go ahead and contact one or two. Let them do a shout out for you, and you see your page. You can also go for Tunde Note, apart from Facebook, because Tunde Note is the king when it comes to social media influencing. If you want to go an Instagram account, go to Tunde Note, pay him, and he will do his magic for you. See you guys in the next video.